Welcome back to our let review session with English majors. So, before that, of course, let's have our review. Let's start with the number 13. Ayan. Okay. Number 13, what does William Norris wants you to do in his Sip the Lip? If your lips would keep from slips, 5 things observe with care. To whom you speak, of whom you speak, and how, when, and where. A. To be truthful. B. To be sincere. C. To show kindness. Or letter D. To observe confidentiality. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is letter D, to observe confidentiality. Number 14. Identify the poem from which lines are taken. Oh, lift me as a wave, a lead, a cloud. I fall upon the torrents of life. I bleed. A heavy weight of hours sustained and bowed. One, two, like thee, tameless and swift and proud. A. Ode to the west wind. Letter B. Crossing the bar. Letter C. Ode to evening. So, walang number. Letter D. So, you have three choices. Letter A, B, or C. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is letter A. Ode to the west wind. Number 15. Okay. Number 15. What figure of speech is used in the lines below? His bright eyes rolled, they never seemed to settle, and glittered like flowers beneath a kettle. Geoffrey's Chancer, the Canterbury Tales. Letter A. Simile. Letter B. Hyperbole. Letter C. Metaphor. Letter D. Personification. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is letter A. Simile. And glittered like the flowers, right? So that is the correct answer. Number 16. Which type reading is choral reading? Letter A, body. Letter B, shared. Letter C, guided. Or letter D, reading aloud to student. So which type reading is choral reading? The answer is letter B, shared. Next number, 17. Of the different principles of effective teaching of reading which is improperly stated, letter A, effective teachers use the 4 cueing system to support students. Letter B, effective teachers use instructional approaches on how children learn. Letter C, effective teachers go out of the structured classrooms to create community of readers. Letter D, effective teachers select appropriate reading materials. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is letter A. Effective teachers use the 4 cueing system to support students. Number 18. Which languages system is focused on vocabulary? Letter A, syntactic. Letter B, pragmatic. Letter C, semantics. Or letter D, phonological. What is the correct answer? Which languages system is focused on vocabulary? The correct answer is letter C, semantics. Okay? Semantics is focused on vocabulary. Number 19. Which theory claims that readers have difficulty in comprehension because they are focused on word identification? Again, Which theory claims that readers have difficulty in comprehension because they are focused on word identification? Letter A, submersion. Letter B, automaticity. Letter C, alphabetic. Or letter D, immersion. Again, letter A, submersion. Letter B, automaticity. Letter C, alphabetic. Or letter D, immersion. Correct answer is letter B, automaticity. So that's why the readers have difficult. That's why uh, this is just a theory, okay? Automaticity. Number 20. Which speech is considered of the greatest speeches for its vision of American democracy by a U.S. political leader? Again, which speech is considered of the greatest speeches for its vision of American democracy by a U.S. political leader? A. The Gettysburg Address. B. John F. Kennedy's inaugural speech. Letter C. Lincoln Memorial Address. Letter D. Patrick Henry's speech. Correct answer is letter B. John F. Kennedy's inaugural speech. So those are the correct answers of our today's letter review. Thank you for listening.